everyone, how's it going? Working on the old Maverick here. I got I already got the viscous goopy stuff out, so Viscolock is deleted. I didn't record, me taking all this apart because everybody's seen all this before. And same with this. There's a bunch of videos on Torque Locker installation, so I'm just doing like a quick and dirty here. But yeah, I got pretty much everything all taken apart, and I just got to put it all back together and go for a quick test drive in the back alley, make sure it all works, and also my STM is in, so yeah, that'll be this, and getting rid of Viscolock will be fantastic for this machine. So it'll be in preparation for the family day ride with Shane from SLG. So yeah, should be fun, and able to do like a little fast forward thing here.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? What you gonna do for it?
All right, the diff is assembled. Now I will throw it in there.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never
door. It's cold. Woo. All right. Well, so far, clutch works good. You know, minus the check engine light. So figure out what's going on there, and then yeah, mint.